Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get Google Chat on your iPhone. So simple thing we just need to do is just by installing the Google Chat on our iPhone by go into the App Store here. And then after that, let's wait until it's appear on the page. Okay, and after we already successfully reach the App Store page, just go into search button here. And now you can type a Google Chat here. Okay, after you find a Google Chat, just click search. And now the Google Chat application has already appeared, and then you can see on the right side there is a get button. Click get and follow the instructions. Okay, let's do a double click to install and do a verifications. Right, and then now just click download to download it, and now we need to wait until the Google Chat is fully or successfully installed on our phone. So that's all how you get the Google Chat on your iPhone. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find out this tutorial is very useful for you.